Hi, this is Theo Malosis, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own pages, your own internet marketing pages with OMS, the OGI marketing system. You're logged into your back office and you go to the My Pages menu and select Templates. Now, depending on the kind of page you want to create, whether this is an opt-in page, a thank you page, a sales page, or something else, you can select the corresponding category. Otherwise, you can choose all templates and go through the whole list. You see that some templates are marked with mobile friendly, meaning that the pages that created with this template are ideal to see on a mobile device, on a smartphone or a tablet. And this is quite useful because nowadays most people use their phones and their tablets to surf the web. So depending on whether you have a particular picture that you want to use or a video, you have to select an appropriate template. So let's say we have a video we want to show, and let's go ahead and choose this template named Standard. You click on Use Template, and you get access to this template to make the changes you want for your page. First of all, you need to click Save. Choose the page title to appear at the top. Let's call this Great Opportunity. And then we have to choose the URL. Let's call this My Opportunity. Click Save. OMS warns us that this name is already being used by someone else. So I'll go ahead and make a change. Hope this is okay. Yep, the template was saved, and now I'm free to make all the changes I wish. So, for example, I can select the text. Change the color, change the background of the text, change the font, change the size. I can even select a word and make a link, and of course I can bold, italic, or underline whatever I wish. The pages consist of blocks of text, video, or buttons, so I can go ahead and click on X and make a block disappear. And if I want to bring it back, I'll just go to the left side to this menu, find out which is the one that I deleted. So I click on the eye, and the block is back again. Now let's change the video. I'll go ahead and click on YouTube, find the appropriate video that I want to use. This is the video I want to use, so I'll go ahead and share the video. Click on embed. I know this is all Greek to you. Then I'm going to decide if I want to display other videos when the video is finished, or whether I want my candidate, my prospect, to be able to fast forward the video and stuff like that. So when I'm done with this, I just copy the code, go back to OMS, paste it in the video options, hit done, and my video is ready. If I change my mind and I no longer want a video, but I want to use an image instead, I can select one of the template images or one of my own. So I can choose one that I have already uploaded to the server, or I can upload an image from my computer at this very moment. I hit Add Files, select an image, hit Upload, and then insert it into my page. For the moment I don't want to do that. I'll stick with the video. And let's pretend that the page is ready. Now I have to choose the form, the opt-in form that prospects are going to use to submit their information. And I can stick with the one already here, or I can hit Choose Subscription Form and go to the list of all email forms that I've created, all contact forms that I've created so far. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one, hit Save Form. My form is displayed. It's pretty similar to the one before. And if I want to make it disappear and have the prospect to change, to hit the button to make the form appear, all I have to do is click on Form Type. If I want to bring it back, I'll just hit it again, and here it is. Now, another thing I have to decide is the page that the prospect is going to see after they submit their information. So I have to go to auto redirect, and let's say I want them to see this page when they're done. All I have to do is click the link, copy it, paste it here, create auto redirect. I get the confirmation from OMS, and now I'm pretty much ready to go. I'll hit save editing, and this is something one should do quite often. Hit publish, and if my internet connection permits it, yep, we're ready. I'll just get out of this page, and now my page has been created and it's at the top of my list. Now let's go and check it out. I'll click on the URL, choose whichever URL I prefer, either olympicmarketingsystem.com or thispagerocks.com. View the page. Okay, it is the page I created, so I'll go ahead and test it. I'll insert my email and my name, hit the submit button, great, this is the page that I want my prospect to see after they've opted in. And now all I have to do to make sure that everything works okay is go to my contacts and make sure that the information is in my contact, in the appropriate contact list. Perfect. My name and my email are on the top of the list. Now, another thing I have to do to make sure that everything's okay is that if I've connected this page with an autoresponder, and you can see, you can find out more about setting up your autoresponders in a different video, then I should receive a video at time 0. So I have to go to my emails, check that I've received that email, and also if I've connected the form with the notification system, I need to make sure that I receive the notification telling me that someone has opted in on this page. Now let's go back to my pages, to the page list, and see what else I can do. From this list I can go to page options, and if I change my mind I can change the title, I can change the URL, I can add a tag, but I'll show you how to do this in an easier way. I can choose a meta image, just like I showed you before, and this image will be connected to this page and be displayed if I want to advertise this page on Facebook. And another important thing in page options is that I can allow someone else to make a copy to use a copy of my page. So I click on allowing copies, and I get a page code which I copy, hit save, and then I send this code to the person who needs to use my page. All they have to do is go to their account, hit copy page with page code, paste the code, hit submit. They have to choose their own title and their own URL, and decide if they also want to copy the form that is associated with the page. And also, if an autoresponder is set up for this page, they'll get another option to choose and copy the autoresponder messages as well. So they hit submit, and the page has been created. Now all they have to do is click edit and go and make their own changes. For the moment I'll delete that. And now let's see what we can do when we want to search for our pages, because the list can grow very big very soon. You can search for a specific page using a keyword. Let's say webinar. I hit search, and then I get all the pages that have webinar either in the page title or the URL. For the moment we'll go back to where we were before, and we can also insert tags to make things easier for us. So I can insert a tag I can use an LP tag here, press enter. I have used privacy here, webinar here. This is another webinar page. So I can do a search by tag, write webinar, hit enter, and I get the two pages that have webinar as a tag. Of course, I can change the number of pages displayed on each browser page, and I can sort my pages based on which one was changed last, on the page title, URL, etc. Another very useful thing about the pages and OMS is the ability to get statistics on the pages. So for example, if I use this page and click on Analytics, I can see that 28 people visited my page. Out of them, 5 opted in, which means that the conversion rate is 17.85. And if I hit the action button, I can make small variations to the page and use different pages, but this will be the subject of a separate video because this has to do with the A/B split test, which is why I didn't say anything about this button. So basically that's it about creating pages with OMS, and I'll see you in another video. Take care.